Hi guys, in this video we're going to be learning about electromagnetic waves. We'll talk about transferring energy in microwave ovens. We'll talk about transferring energy in electric heaters, and we'll finish with a summary.
So let's start by discussing electromagnetic waves. It turns out that electromagnetic waves like light do not need a medium to travel through. So for example, typically when we see a light bulb, of course we're sat here on Earth and we take a look at the light bulb and we see the light coming from it. And we know that for our situation on Earth, this light is travelling through the air between us to reach our eye. But even if the air wasn't there, if there was nothing there at all, the wave would still be able to travel from the bulb to our eye. In other words, electromagnetic waves like light can travel through a vacuum. Now, a good example of a vacuum is the space in between the Earth and the Sun. So of course this picture is not at all to scale, but light can travel from the Sun to the Earth because it does not need a medium to travel through. Just to remind you again, space is a good example of a vacuum because there is pretty much nothing in space. But light can still travel from the Sun to the Earth because light can travel through a vacuum. Light doesn't need a medium to travel through. For an example of a wave that can't do this, sound cannot travel from the Sun to the Earth because sound needs air to travel through. Remember that sound is a vibration of particles. And so without any particles to vibrate, the sound wave can't travel. Now, our definition of a wave involved vibrations. We said that waves were vibrations or oscillations which transferred energy from one place to another. So if light doesn't need a medium, what is it that's oscillating or vibrating? It turns out that the things which are oscillating are quite abstract quantities. They're called electric and magnetic fields. And again, these are the things which oscillate. And it's because it's the electric and magnetic fields that are oscillating that we call these waves electromagnetic waves. There's two important facts to know about electromagnetic waves. First of all, they are transverse waves.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.